Guys, what is up? So today we're going to be unboxing the Panasonic HCVX870 4K video camera today. I also got a memory card to go with it, 64 gigabytes, pretty good, 16 hours of video in 4K, and a case to go with it. So it's got the bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. Do that with it. We'll save that for later though. Alright, so this is the actual camera itself. I've never seen a lens case like that. Open it up. See what it has. Lots more plugs than my old camera. It's actually lighter than my old camera. Right here is where you put the SD card into. Right here. This looks like kind of looks like a case. So you put it on like this. Alright, so this right here is your lens hood. This right here is your battery pack. AC adapter. This is the DC cable. USB cable right here. HDMI and micro cable. And this is a shoe adapter. Not sure what that is for yet.
He's wet.